The head of the table, the tribal chief, the undisputed OTC Roman Reigns is making his legendary return to Monday Night Raw. Look at the aura. Just feel the aura. Tonight isn't just about presence, because the tribal chief is about to expand the empire. Tonight, live on Monday Night Raw, Roman Reigns is officially welcoming a brand new absolute monster into the family tree. Zilla Fatu is making his explosive WWE debut.
Acknowledge me.
Yes, my tribal chief. The bloodline is getting even more dangerous. And the entire roster is on notice. Zilla Fatu is here. Pop up, Samoan drop. Zilla Fatu is finally in WWE. Bang! A super Samoan spike. Look at the replay. How quick, athletic and powerful Zilla Fatu is. The future enforcer of Roman Reigns is finally in WWE NXT. Bruce Montana and Grayson Waller both feeling the wrath of Zilla Fatu. Fatu splash. Zilla Fatu, the son of Umaga, the son of the cousin of Roman Reigns, is finally in WWE. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Another Fatu splash, but this time to Grayson Waller. Don't mess with the bloodline, otherwise Zilla Fatu will destroy you. And now Fatu is giving an open challenge to the NXT champion Tony D'Angelo. It's a matter of time. We will see Zilla Fatu as the new NXT champion. Zilla Fatu is coming to Monday Night Raw soon to acknowledge Roman Reigns and to join the bloodline. And now, Solo Sikoa versus Jey Uso here on Monday Night Raw. We saw the debut of Zilla Fatu tonight, and now two brothers are fighting. Samoan drop by Solo Dolo Sikoa. If Solo loses tonight, he has to acknowledge Roman Reigns and join the bloodline again. Roman Reigns is looking to make the bloodline more powerful than ever. If Solo Sikoa and Zilla Fatu joins the bloodline again, this family will become unstoppable and unbeatable again. And now Solo Dolo hip attack with full power. And now right hand by Jey. Jey Uso is giving a tough competition to Solo Dolo Sikoa. Solo uses the weight on Jey, but Jey still powers out at two. Incredible match here on Monday Night Raw. Jimmy Uso is here to distract Solo Dolo Sikoa. And Jey Uso took the advantage with a spear. Kick out by Solo, and now Solo is still fighting back. Jimmy again tried to distract. It's a Samoan spike. Referee didn't saw it all. A spear by Jey. And Uso is not done yet. Jey Uso splash. Going for the cover. Look at the replay. And a cover by Jey. And a victory. Jey Uso defeated Solo Sikoa here on Monday Night Raw. And now it's a 6-man tag team action. LA Knight, Roy Esquisse and Solo Dolo Sikoa versus the Usos and Jacob Yarnami Fatu. Look at Solo Dolo Sikoa. And now, this time he puts down Big Jim. Samoan spike, nope. Headbutt, yes. Pew pew. Solo with the attack, and now he made the tag. to LA Knight. Yeah. I think Jacob Fatu is coming now. Make the tag, Jim. It's time for Jacob to come and destroy everyone. The disrespect is too much. And now Jacob is here, but Knight fighting against him. Pop up Samoan drop with ease. Jacob Fatu destroying the megastar LA Knight, who is the next challenger of Roman Reigns. And now Big Jim makes a tag. Chop. And now rolls him, crushing the nuts of LA Knight. And now Roy Eskees. Oh God. Double shoulder tackle by the new monster of WWE, Powerhouse Hobbs. And now running power slam. Nope. Solo makes a tag secretly. Super kick. And here comes Solo Dolo Sikoa. Yeet. Bang. Samoan spike. Pew pew. Oh, Big Jim. And now spike missed. Roll up. And just like that, Jey Uso pins Solo Sikoa. The bloodline wins. And now Dragon Lee. Sorry, it's Laredo Kid versus Penta. What a cross body by Penta. And now Hurricane Rana. Beautifully done. Everybody is chanting Zero Miedo. Oh no, Laredo Kid is too quick. And now he smashes Penta. Laredo Kid climbing to the top rope. What a moonsault! Laredo Kid takes out Penta. What a move! Now both luchadors fighting because it's about a title match, the world title match against Roman Reigns in Mexico. Oh, Penta takes out Laredo Kid. It's a tough competition. Shot by Penta. Forearm by Laredo Kid. Chop, I guess. Forearm. And Penta is smashing Laredo Kid. But he is also fighting Puck. Super kick. And now Laredo Kid. 450. Michinoku driver. Laredo Kid not went for the cover. He's climbing to the top rope instead. Phoenix splash missed. Penta with a Mexican destroyer. And a victory for Penta. Oh, Big Cass attacks Dragon Lee. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. And now Big Cass takes Dragon Lee up. Bear hug applied. Bang! What a slam by Big Cass. Here comes the young OG to save Dragon Lee and to take the revenge from Big Cass. Close line missed. Young OG smashing with the punches. Super kick. And now springboard cutter. No. What a close line by Big Cass. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice For more incredible wrestling action like this, the monster of Monday Night Raw, 7 feet tall giant, Big Cass with a big boot. The young OG in big trouble. Thanks for watching.